brass instruments up here. We're going to get our big old brass band up here after this last tune. But for this last song, we actually learned a tune for our trip here in Pacific Partnership to Micronesia, and we hope you enjoyed it. It was a tune that we had a lot of fun learning. They said, hey, you learned this tune? I think they might like it. So we thought, you know what, let's do it. And we played it a couple times, got some pretty good feedback. So we hope we get good feedback from you all here at Chuuk High School for this last tune we're going to play. If you recognize it, I hope you sing along, maybe do a little bit of dancing. That'd be cool too. So I hope you all enjoy it. Let's kick it off. Pacific Partnership 2024. We've got doctors, dentists, veterinarians, engineers, musicians, all different kinds of people here coming to you from the USNS Mercy, a big old hospital ship out there in the ocean. If you've seen it, it's huge. And we came all the way from San Diego. Some of us come from Hawaii. Some of us come from Australia. All over parts of the world here for the partnership of being together, learning together, having fun together, teaching together, and just having good times and good vibes. Ain't that right? Chuuk High School, good vibes, right? We're chilling out here. We're having fun. We're out here to play some music for y'all to have a good time. Now, sounds like the band's already getting started. This first tune's going to be featuring on tour. Musician second class Ben Hood. He's already laying down the track, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, man. Lay it down. Let's go. Anyway, I hope y'all are ready to have fun. Who's ready to have fun? Alright, that's what we need to get this show on the road. Come on, bring it down. Alright, come on. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I don't think y'all are ready. Come on, let me hear you make some noise.